So, this one. So, we're just gonna vlog it. I'm just gonna vlog my whole thing. Baby vlog. Thank you. Bye. Just go back
natin sa ng Diyos ay i-take natin yung opportunity. So, pag-pray po nyo, this coming Saturday ay start na July 18. So, kaya yung ating Bible School ay sa mga preachers, iyanin po natin ang ibang schedule. At sabi niyo po sa panalangin, mga kapatid, yung ilan pa sa mga plano natin ating gawain. Sa ganoon ay manatili tayong busy habang tayo kung naghihintay sa
stay live during this.
Meron po tayong first time guest sa mga ganito, first time guest? Wala? Okay, nag-birthday. Sino po yung mga nag-birthday? Sino? Wala? Wala nag-birthday? Okay, so tayo po ay tumayo lahat at kasama nyo tayo.
Yeah, we're just gonna do this. Jump.
Sige po, let us host ngayon at welcome po natin ang mga isa. Welcome po natin si Brother John. Reminder ko po, no? Second time.
Ay, ayaw mo, diwag.
Second time.
So guys, ito na yung pwede ako
Welcome po natin.
To Harvest Baptist Church, it's the church where you belong. Welcome to Harvest Baptist Church. You would say the whole thing in this song. This is ligaya ng buhay. I'm waiting by the blood of the Lamb. I am redeemed. Yes, I know I am. I already made a swap. I know how I made it. Mud plus water. Is it amazing, right? Nag-vlog ako. I love you. So yeah, that's all.
Sige po, you may be seated. Salamat po sa ating masayang awitan, namayan.
Try to get back to you again. Bye. I'll give you the best show in town.
Tira. Yung fire, napansin ko po yun. Tira, Caesar, problema. Bakit masakit po siya? Pero may purpose. Ang purpose
That's
po
all
niya,
I think.
ni Lord,
Make a part 2.
alisin